Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the Lightning Collection Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Red Ranger. Unfortunately, I have lost all the accessories including his swappable head, all the other hands, but I did not lose his power sword somehow. I don't know how I did not lose this. Let's take a look at his power sword first. This is Jason, by the way, not Rocky. Come on, please focus. Grr. Autofocus is a bitch. You can see the power coin detail on both sides of the power sword. The black paint on the end of the handle of the power sword did rub off on the inside of his hands there. This is a $20 figure, so in Transformers terms, this is basically a deluxe class. In the deluxe class. Set that off to the side, and now let's take a look at Jason. It's a very good looking figure. We have very good detail right there of his Tyrannosaurus power coin and his morpher. As you can see, the black paint did rub off on the inside of both hands. Be careful if you want have him double handing it. He has double jointed elbows. He has a butterfly joint right here. His head can go 360 up. It's already looking as far up as it can. It can look pretty far down. Here's the back. He has double jointed knees. His legs can go, has a great articulation there. I can't remember what that type of articulation is called. His legs can move, his feet can move down that far, move up that far. He has a very good ab crunch. You can look back that far. You got that, as I said, double jointed elbow. You have a swivel at the bicep. You have a waist swivel plus the ab crunch here. Doubles as a I guess midsection swivel. I don't know. His legs can go out that far, back that far. You can get some pretty decent walking cycles with him. We can give him his classic power sword, of course. There we go. I think he looks pretty good with it. As you can see, the holster did break off. We can have him double-handing it. Use these joints to your advantage. There we go. I come to realize that because of me not having all of his accessories, this video is going to be pretty short. But if you did like this video, please subscribe if you want to. Like the video if you want to. I don't really care. I'm having a lot of fun playing with this. Okay, I will see you all next time. Bye.